Thank you, Baby Jessie. District Governor Alex Burek, District Governor-elect Dosik Yugyat, Sharing President. Kumain na ba kayo? Wala pa. Hi. The Dream Makers President. Tinawag na kayo, hindi na kayo nakapag-get. Fellow Rotarians and guests, good evening.
Good evening.
It has been 4 months since my term as President of the Rotary Club of University District. A journey characterized by challenges, but educating. Tiring but at the same time enjoyable. A memorable experience for which to this day I am truly thankful of. For I am now a better person, a better husband, father, and Rotarian road in the world. The past year faced a lot of challenges. Some were good to be remembered, others best to be forgotten, forgiven. But as true advocates of the ideals and mission of the Rotary Club, I enjoy all of you to keep the good memories and forget the nightmares. Let us continue to remember the primary reason why we decided to devote the remaining good years of our lives to Rotary. Let us not allow sinful pride take away the very source of our very happiness. That is our friendship, our relationship. As we unfold another Rotary year, let us continue to hold on to the vision and mission of the Rotary. Let us remain to be truly brothers and sisters in this organization. Sincerely, truthfully, let us also recognize that we are all human beings with imperfect nature. The sooner we accept this truth, the more patient and the more forgiving we would be for each other. In parting, allow me to express my appreciation to those who gave their support during my term. To my club members and officers, mga bro, maraming salamat. To my very energetic District Governor, Danny Fausto, wala siya dito ngayon, and his District Officer, salamat. To the trust and support of my fellow Sharing President, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat, of course. To the dedication and love of my family, especially my wife. Salamat sa lahat ng pag-unawa at pag-alalay, lalo-lalo na when I needed it. To those I have hurt during my journey as President, my sincere apologies. And in turn, to those who have hurt me as well, panahon na para kalimutan ang lahat. Sumikat na ang panibagong araw, that it is time to welcome and embrace a brand new day, a fresh beginning and a new start sa inyong lahat. Isang magandang gabi. Thank you.